today I'm going to talk about a very interesting method which will definitely give you the best way to solve the Rubik's Cube. And many of us do the practice on basic and regular methods, but some of us are aware about this method. However, this is quite viral on YouTube, but since you are practicing yourself to become a pro, you should know that there is another method which you may use to solve the cube at the earliest. So before we continue about learning and about understanding the method, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming video. Alright, let's continue from here. Okay, in my previous videos I've taught you and told you that you will have to start by preparing a cross at the bottom. But in this method as well, you will have to do the same with this, which I am preparing right now itself. See, yeah, here. Alright, here is my cross, this one. Well, after this, same way you will turn down the cube white side at the bottom. Now what you are going to do, you are going to prepare these two layers in one time. This will reduce the number of moves which you regularly use in the beginner's method. So how you are going to do this? That's the way. Well, I'm really sorry about the video, it's getting prepared on very close focus, since it's damn cold here and that's why it's early morning when I thought to prepare this video. Alright, let's talk about the method, how to prepare the bottom two layers in one time. Okay, so this method is called CFOP. In this there is a definition which stands with their own meaning. Alright, so C here stands for a cross at the bottom, and then F stands for the method of F2L, which means first two layer. Then O as in OLL, and P stands for PLL. Alright, here is the way which you can do here. If you have a piece white facing front area, then look at the colors, like this one having red and blue, and fortunately the same color is at the bottom, just below it. So first we will bring it out. Okay, now here my piece is the corner piece and here is my edge. So first go to the layer which has to be placed here. Now if it is on the left side, turn the layer, remove it on the left side, hide it from the front face. Now you have this blue here and red in the top. The red is on the top here also, so this is going to be matched. So this piece we are going to move here. So basically when the same color are faced on the upside, so we are going to match them like this. Now you can see the where is matched. Now the beginner's method which we do use to move the corner at the bottom. Now I have the same example here. However, my piece is stuck here, but the moment I will take it out, I would be able to make it on the correct direction. This is supposed to be placed here. Now put it on the back side, both colors are same. Okay, this is the one method which I told you. Now there is another situation which you might face, like this. When the white color on the right side, and you can see both of the colors are, top colors are different. So this will go here. Now if the colors are different, if you will turn it here, both colors will not match. What you're gonna do here, first turn it up on the direction where you want this to be placed and move this layer back. It will match these pieces together. Now you have an advantage of one move Okay, there is one more situation which you may face while solving the cube. That will be this one. Just a second, let me do this for you. Okay, yeah, this is the situation when you have white on the top area. Here you can do two things. Either you can turn the white on the front layer like this, okay, or else you can rotate and match these two pieces together. So first we will have to depair the pieces. Okay, here is done. Now we have only this layer blank, so we have to utilize this only. So if you will turn it up back here, so the orange piece is going on the back side, and we have orange at the front side. So this is the basic which you will have to understand. Orange is here, now orange is matching here. Now you have the pair completed. So this is the basic method of preparing the sequence. You can see the less moves you will use, the more you have the advantage to turn on the layers ASAP. After this you will have to use the OLL to complete the top layer. Like I have a situation here. Yeah. Okay, so I have a situation here. I'm gonna try the move here. See, the yellow layer is completed. Now I can do this. This will give me a headlight on one side like this. Now I have to bring out a headlight here, so the same method I'm going to use once again. Now I have headlight on all of these sides. Now I'm going to use one move which will give me the pairing instantly. Oh, sorry, I think I messed up. Here. So this is all about the OLL, PLL, and etc. So if you are able to use the CFOP method, you would be able to solve the cube at the earliest. Well, I'm not giving you any instruction to learn CFOP because there are no instruction would be required. You can do it by intuition. Actually, CFOP is completely depends on intuition, especially F2L. So I hope you would like this video and you would love to learn CFOP. And please be with us, subscribe us, watch us. And if you want to learn anything special, please do let me know. I'll bring it up to you. Thank you so much.